Hello guys, welcome. Trying to unlock more chats or premium features in Poly, but running low on coins. Well, in this video I'll tell you how exactly you can earn them in this app. So firstly, of course, launch Poly app on your phone and sign in. Tap the coin icon at the top right of the screen to open the coin menu. One of the easiest ways to earn free coins is the daily check-in. Just visit the app once a day and claim your daily reward. The longer your streak is, the more coins you earn. Tap on the watch ad option as well under the coin tab. Each ad you watch gives a small amount of coins. It's a quick and easy free way to stack them up. Also use your referral code to invite others. When your friends join and use the app, both of you earn coins. But if you need coins instantly, you can purchase them using in-app payments. Choose a coin pack that suits you and complete the transaction. So that's pretty much how you get coins in Poly. If this helps, drop a like, subscribe for more AI app tips, and of course, see you in the next one, guys.